Hello students. Today we will learn how to create a movement for a character in PowToon. Here you can see a teddy bear character. If I keep the character here on the stage, now when I click on the settings icon here, in the settings you have the setting called A to B. This is the setting to animate a change in the size, orientation or location of a character. So when I click on A to B, you will see a duplicate copy of the character has been made here, and there's a there's a double arrow here on the character. When I click and drag, the characters move to another position, and there's a dotted line. In the dotted line here, you can see the circle showing that this is the initial position of the character, and this triangle shows that this is the new position for the character. Now, if I click on the play slide, it will show the character doing the movement from this position to this position in 1.5 seconds. If I click on the character here, you can see that the duration of the character is from 1 second till around little less than 8 seconds. If I make it 8 seconds, this is how long the teddy bear will be on the slide. And the dark blue line here represents the duration of the movement of the character from position A to position B. By default, it is always 1.5 seconds. If you want to increase, you can click here at the right hand side part of the blue line and drag it. The more number of seconds you make for the duration of the movement of this character, the slower the character will be moving. Now if I play this again, so you can see now he is taking around from 1 to 4, that is 3 seconds to move from this position to this position. From 1 to 4th second, 3 seconds he is taking to move from here to here. So the movement was little slow. If you want to cancel the movement at any point of time, you can click on any of these two characters, and then this is the option here to cancel A to B effect. When you click on cancel A to B effect, you can see the duration for the movement has disappeared and there is no duplicate character of this character showing the movement. Again, if you want to create a movement, you click on the settings, click on A to B. A duplicate copy has been made here. Drag it to wherever you want it to drag. Now, while you are making the character move, you can rotate this character. You can see this angular line over here. So when you click on this angle, you can decide how many degrees you want the character to rotate. Now, when I play the slide, so you will see the teddy bear rotated while moving from A to B position. Also, you can change the size of the character as it is moving. From these corners, these are the resizing handles. You can drag any of the resizing handles and make the character bigger or smaller. Now when I run the slide, so you can see the character turned and also grew in size as it moved from position A to B. This is called the A to B effect for a character. Now on a new slide, I'll show you if you want to create a movement in more than one places for a character. So if I go to props, supposingly, and I search for a star prop and I choose a star like this, and then I place the star in the beginning at this position. Now to create the animation, I'm going to make the enter effect to be no effect, to have no effect, and also the exit effect, I will say no effect. Now I will click on the character, and in the settings I'll make the A to B effect, and I'll make him go from here to here. Now I will increase this movement effect to 3.5 duration, 3.5 seconds. Also at this point, I must change the duration of the appearance of this character on the slide to also the same time. So the movement of the character will finish at 3.5 seconds, and also the character will disappear after 3.5 seconds. So when I play this, supposingly, you will see the star appears at 1 second, moves till 3 seconds, and then disappears. Now I will make this same star move from here to here. So to make that, you click on the second part here for the star. This is the position B for the star. And here I will copy this star and make a duplicate of it. I will copy and paste this. So I click here, and on my keyboard I press Ctrl C. My image has got copied, and now I press Ctrl and V. So a duplicate copy of the star is positioned here at 3.5 seconds. A new star has appeared. A new character of the same star has appeared, and it is showing from 3 to 6 seconds, 3.5 to 6 seconds. Now I will give the A to B effect to this character and make him go from here to here. And also I will give the same amount of time for movement and the duration on the slide. So 3.5 to 6. Now when I play the slide from the beginning, the star starts from here, ends over here, and another star, the same copy of this another star, goes to the position C. So this gives an effect that it is the same star that is moving, because we had copied and pasted the star over here in the position B. Now I will click on the position C here, and again Control C and Control V. So now I have made another copy of this at at 6th second on the timeline. Now again I give the A to B effect and drag it and position it here supposedly. Now if I want, this character can be moving only till 7.5 seconds, but it can remain on the stage for more number of seconds if you want. Now I'll play the slide again. So the star starts from, I think this it's got hanged. I'll just reload the page. So here when I play the slide, it will start from this position, go to position B, then to position C, and then to position D. And then it will disappear after 9 seconds. So this is how you can create continuous movement of a character by using the copy and paste and the A to B effects. Hope you enjoy working on this A to B effect. See you.